Hey y'all, it's me, and today we gonna cut this headboard, honey, because I need it to go in my bedroom and not stay in part of my living room. So I'm just showing y'all how tall it is. So I'm 5'5", and the thing is almost as tall as me, y'all. And it's like 7.5 to 8 feet wide. Yeah, like 7.5 to 8 feet wide. It's for a California king. So first things first, we got to do some inspecting. So we got to do some removing. Now, I got these two tools. I don't know what they called. I think one for paint and the other one, I don't know the name of it. I'm going to call it a pincher. Yeah, it's look. Okay, so what I did was I had used the thing in my left hand with the red bottom on it. I had used that to try to pry the thing up. And then the other tool, the pincher, I was using the pincher to hold on to it and pull it out. That's why my hand you see? I was just, yeah, That's what it looked like. And these some heavy duty industrial type of staples. So I'm going to show y'all again right here what I was doing. Hopefully you can get a better glimpse. Okay, so I'm going to take that first panel off. And I got to do some inspecting. So I got to see like how it's made, where I'm going to cut, how much I'm going to cut. I got to make sure there's nothing in the way. You know, you got to inspect this. So I'm going to tell y'all why I'm doing this. I'm doing this because we tried for about 2.5 to 3 hours of trying to get this thing up our stairs, y'all. We could not do it. I mean, we done flipped it. We done tried. Man, we was about to break the thing trying to get it to go up the stairs. Now, I know y'all can hear me ripping through this fabric. I'm just using an X-Acto knife. It ain't even sharp. It's like dull. But I was just cutting around that because, honey, I'm not going to remove all them staples. That stuff was torture. So I just took the easy way. It's the back. Ain't nobody going to see the back anyway. So I didn't remove that. Well, cut that. Now I'm about to go in and remove this side here. And y'all, I done cut myself. Look at this. They bleed. Made with blood. Yes, it was. So I'm going to just keep going and remove this back panel. And once I'm done, I'll come back. All right, y'all. Now look at my baby. I was talking to her, y'all, and I guess I done talked my baby to sleep because, honey, she is knocked out. Look at her. Mouth open, just catching flies. So at this point, I got to turn it around and do some inspecting in the front. But I knew my daughter was going to walk through that door any second. And I was like, yes, thank you, because I need help. I don't have a desk to set this thing up, so I'm using my couch as like a table, okay? Mind your business. But this is what the headboard looks like, you know, before. And I was doing some inspecting here, trying to see where I'm going to cut at. So I'm going to just cut on the bottom piece. Y'all finna see. Bought this from Walmart. I don't know how to use it. We're going to learn today. Figure it out today, though. I'll put the blade in here. I'm about to just cut through that, honey. Watch me. I'm about to cut through that shit. Let me see. How the blade go in here and go this? No, that's the wrong way, Greg. Don't go that way. Oh, why sliding back? Probably not how you put it in. I should probably read the instructions, huh? What's this button for? Oh, that's probably how to get it in there. Okay. That's not how you put it in there, though. It's not working. That's not working. I thought that would help. Oh, that is how you do it. Okay, I did that. It ain't gonna work because we need the battery. So all right, I'm just cut that shit. I'm just cut it. Here we go. out. I'm tired. This ain't no straight line either, honey. My shit whooped the daisy. Alright, y'all see how it fell? It didn't disconnect. It's because that black fabric that was in the back, I had to cut that. So I just used that X-Acto knife to cut it, and it came right off, y'all. Slid right off like butter. So here I'm just putting it together, trying to put it together, and I wasn't lining it up right. There we go, girl. She got it now. She got it. So I lined everything up, and these are the mending plates that I'm using. I got them from Walmart, and I just literally lined it up, used my leg to push it together so it's not like a gap. And honey, I just screwed them things into place. I used 2 packs of those mending plates, so I had a total of 8, and I just used them wherever I felt like it needed extra security. So that's what I did. Dang. There we go. Don't want that to happen. And now I gotta put that behind the bed. Bob! Push it. Pop up on the arch. Pop up on the arch and make it blick a blick. Like that. Y'all see me doing this shit? I'm doing this shit. Hey. Moment of truth. Okay. Period. I did that. Yeah, y'all, and this is what my bedroom now looks like. I love my headboard. So if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. It will really help my channel out. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below any other videos that you would like to see from me. Also, I am eligible for the super thanks button. All you have to do is go under my videos, scroll to the right, and after you click like, and you'll see a thanks button, and you can contribute to my channel. Whatever you can afford, I would truly appreciate it. It will help me bring more DIYs to you guys. So yeah, I just want to say thank you. I love you, and until next time, bye.